For me now, Hammy, I know say you know you're recovering. So now, Hammy, it's not supporters no.
For the thousands in attendance and the millions watching around the world from the capital city of the United States of America, Washington, D.C. Ladies and gentlemen, let's get ready to rumble!
Station Radio Man Kenya on Kuma Radio 97.1. Hi.
Hey! Right, Okuma 97.1. And we enter Okuma Global Sports. Yasin Atenase. Na Osho Brenna Sumanum Aba Padonko home. I Atenase see and I say good evening somewhere chego we asia fana yaso yetumi de aba. Na we mami mo bibia kwa bampam bra jumadi no so. Enye easy but ye be me ya ni na de nsem na ba. Para we mami ndo bibia se. And I say Christian confirm my executive producer Kofi Anson Bafo. Samson and Nana Kofi Okarajiman. Jeff Kufu Boateng. DJ Tony, DJ Zigibi. And I think so no Jasmine Elbon, I think so no social media and Etumechegu. And they never share live on Facebook, Diana say Common Radio 97.1. Samsung on YouTube and say Okuman Radio 97.1. Twitter, Instagram at Okuman 971. Yeah, my minchia Miami Nuya Bema. Miami Nuya, a brother from another mother. Bills. Yeah, my minchia. Oh, shit, you made it in life. Bills on a foreign and you know, Michi, I'm with you. But I am Raho. Papa. But in your nature, no, I some more. You pass it and sashi. Don't you tell me? Nipa and sashi. Tenia Brabana, ya bono, boy, nothing soon. What you met to 2 and a more ye. Now, what beside was a Brabon, me boy, a set effata. Isan say, at the end, you know, if you have any fan, come baby. There are ho. As soon as you know, you can't above nothing, so you have to make some bar. If you are meeting in an Aquami and Ponsadi, wait to my friend AK. You know, yeah, some more. We are in a cold world. We are in a cold world, my brother. I don't think so. I'm meeting no great, and you know, you're funny, sir. Yeah, me person me je didn't know. Ode ma me fan to nchene yambongum. And you know, you're gonna man and some ba. But then there will be PM Ghana ha. You know, say the Ghana Premier League match week 8 in Subaba. Match week 8 of the Ghana Premier League 3 p.m. Pena matches na shas yeah. You better not snap fin sooner the fixtures na ba. Ya be doing come on so ha. But me nim say one who dia. And krata bi en am from him. Na nkrata nam enframem no echirima we no sa Europe foi. This European Union foi anase ne no uko Europe team se wo ho. Etima chro dia koma FIFA say ne African Cup of Nations na yebebo no. South African players say aka wo Europe enya de ne omo hye no maja omo ba. See class na chro dia ma FIFA say enya de omo beja omo players omo si aka wo Africa ha amomo abebo AFCON no. It's in FIFA enje sankrata nintum na face no musi sa players ya no kwan. Na ebrepa mi fiama na ne ba sakrata ma be kan na so ahuni ewom. Na yebisa se Ghana AFCON ya yekoi. So far on boane te say Eno Adana coach Milo Sutumi committee the executive council of the Ghana Football Association. It didn't come back you know. It is exclusive of that meeting no betima ba. Entino yebe kona finsa manene samaba. Manene semene sharanche ewa manene satiasie. Sunset miraho. Entino Tony. Fire kwa manene na yemetu asu eofie.
Some nights I stay up, cashing in my bad luck. Some nights I call it a draw. Some nights I wish that my lips could build a castle. Some nights I wish they just fall off. But I still wake up, I still see your ghost. Oh Lord, I'm still not sure what I stand for. Oh, what do I stand for? What do I stand for? Most nights I don't know anymore. Stops my bones from wandering to why am, oh, who am I?
All right, into that time I just am an insomno. Yeah, she na fin so no. Yeah, timi abakro bia santia tenase ewa ha. Intene yankora fin so man insomno. Yentimi enfambra se na meka ne shara nchawa manane na fin ya pa na ya bedin komo. E ofia na se eke. Me so metimi agimedwa na nsam pa na be sase enso etimi the FC Barcelona kache na no pe na fin so officially a Brighton e dey Sergio Kun Aguero and fin so Barcelona president and dey at John Laporta head coach Javi Hernandez enso etimi tenase na dey utimi at the press conference chinchirinche enso etimi shisha so na Brighton dey Aguero and any we pay press conference na say no dey nsem eri to dwa etrema no officially on Brighton dey Sergio Kun Aguero anonso no etimi retire from football and enso no ensama enonso pantitienie Aguero dey nsem eri atudwa etremu se on officially anonso no ball the ball there ono Sergio Kun Aguero anonso no etimi ade adba na wieye enso ewo ho ni nyina kirema na koma yade no ne Dr. Satunofo kirema sa koma dane mu no enya de sabe ebetumi agina no etumi abobo entina homa koma no ahode na ba form enso ho ntene afutuo ne yade ma Aguero so no betumi retire enso from football internal pay press conference no Brighton de Sergio Aguero enso no etumi retire from football yenso ne yetimi ade ato yetiefo anim na sa press conference no eba ne wie ne no former Manchester City coach ora ne de Roberto Mancini enso na timi ade nsem ade betu twa akiremu se ne raho se ne no abrante ne de Sergio Aguero enso no twa nimfie na 33 years ono so timi retire from football. It's an social boy na Brante Paul na Kofi Manchester City be pure Barcelona. No share nim se niama so betima koso no. Brante ne din dia Aguero so no niama ntima nkobane sa. Into no head coach and din Roberto Mancini no. Ne ya na reho se ni Brante ne din dia Aguero so no etima retire from football no so sansem no ban ne kopiemu Christian Eriksen afen so no Inter Milan akatia. Onu se nano euros ya se na Brante ne din Christian Eriksen enso etimi ko collapse ye kanyame nkwa na nka Brante so no etumi afrimu ho na so no doctors etumi bomodin eja Brante ne de Christian Eriksen nkwa na report eba echirema ne no Christian Eriksen na afen so Inter Milan tem no eba be sinkonia na afen so no contract no ene so no batuma twamu Inter kache sanse ne doctors dia tudwa echirema Brante ne so na enhome satia se bo omobo Italy na no den intene no ancha na Christian Eriksen so no entimi ankobo bo no papa bia Italy mountain so intene report amensa ka echirema Christian Eriksen ana afen so Inter Milan team no ba betena se na afen so no contract on sensem no omatuma twamu enso na Inter Milan bo ko ne mo enso no ensama banene ye kopie mu Chelsea akachia ora ne de Roman Abramovich no ono say panyipa president ade mabo ko na so ona ade Chelsea team no wakasa echem so Brante ne de Antonio Rudiger sa kokwasa eneme sign contract echina men sign muntutu kanemu ani ade na ade no Roman Abramovich echirema Brante ne de Rudiger munjano contract no on sign enya de obi abe force no internet somebody Roman Abramovich enso no etumi de atudwane o she coach Thomas Tuchel say the on pay defender January Omakofano no so be PM Chelsea akachi internet sama Cashman president owner Edema Chelsea team no ono so no etumi ere atudwane no da ko PM Argentina Claudio Ma na say Diego Armando Maradona Cup no na FC Barcelona ana face Boca Juniors ana ere boy na game no ko na we na 1-1 ana sama match ni ko wie na chi penalties ana ni penifon so no etumi ere sisi so na penalties ni ba na we no FC Barcelona Ese Barcelona team nankasa Abotana ma Boca Juniors session 4-2 on penalties enso ne sama etumi free mu edifi Argentina yade atu yetie for intene no Maradona Cup no Barcelona so entumi anje enso ho Boca Juniors team na che no bon 4-2 on penalties enso ne sama enso eba yatumi ade atu yetiefo anim ne yenkone kopiemo enso no pobo kwa ne din ade air showman so akache mo former captain ne din ade Daniel Rossi so no report eba echiremu se ne no owura no so no coach ne din Roberto Mancini so Italian national team coach ono so betumi de na join ne backroom staff no na afin so aboa amada Azuris of Italy no enso no tuma from tuma pa enso no atumi de friend ne nsama ne no free Italy akache eba yanso yade atu yetiefo anim na Napoli akache no me feda ne din ade Piotr Zelensky so no report about James Brante no so no etuma test positive of coronavirus ade no intene weekend anya de ora na sa Brante ne din ade Zelensky enso betuma giramo esi akan enso ade ama Napoli and reporter and so no epa yetumi ade atu German and nsem no sana mekan teu na afenso yen fensi na yemeto aso fi Ghana Premier League match week 8 and also ebetumi atuja enso no ewo hontino eke amane nsem no menso metumi ede aba na yentwa ye ho yaba efi sem no so no yenso yede beba.
This is our own, let's cherish our own. Ghana Premier League is back again. I say this is our own, let's cherish our own. Division 1 League is back again. This is our own, let's cherish our own. Ghana Premier League is back again. This is our own, let's cherish our own. Women's Premier League is back again. I don't see a day what dog can want. And EJ can want. The day a race more. They say a day what dog can want. And EJ can want. The day a race more. Since there. Ghana Premier League is back again. Since the days of Shamokwe, we've been there. We've been there. Division 1 League is back again. Since the days of Abeta Saki, we've been there. We've been there. Women's Premier League is back again. Since the days of Asamoah John, we've been there. We've been there. Ghana Premier League is back again. Since the days of Ishmael Ado, we've been there. We've been there. Division 1 League is back again.
And no, yan tryna finso na fisem no. Yan so no yan fambra murano so hon kakrakra. Ebefa. Internere yan tryna finso na fisem no. Yan so no yentumi yan fan to join. Anu sem FA Cup. Round of 64 no so no draw no. Etimi abeto joa enya sem kumana say. Ana draw no so esifa etiene kopie mu so dia. Ebo kwa ni de Brekum Freedom Fighters. And so any Sene Hospitals. Ebetumi abo Samson Brekum Arsenals. And a young Apostle Waya Sin. And about Fakwata no Eboriana Stars. And so any 11 wonders where Premier League affairs out the MTN FA Cup anymore. Samson Jene Eagles. And so any Sontraman FC. Everything about Unity FC. Any Brekum Chelsea ball. Dreams Tamale and Real Tamale United. Way Tamale affairs. And also everything ato Tamale City. And so any Steadfast about Boga Stars. And a Boga FC. And so about Wasumbo Free Stars. And a Wasunta. And so Edbebonia. And Yasim Kuma winning matches. Toja our MTN FA Cup round of 64. That's good. And a Bechem United about Asuka Deportivo. And so any Pro Players Academy about Sansamo Penin and a Kwamuman FC. And also United. And so about Ken Faisal and a crop Yakumasi Santiago Conweno. A repeat or revenge. And so now the MTN FA Cup round of 64. And also a team of Bakofodia Association. And a First Class FC. And so a boy in Zamakoroko. And a Unistar Academy. Everybody bought any 11 wise. And a boy young stars. Everybody bought second year Zakas. And a Ghost Stars. Bocarella United. And a Mediama. And the boy in Draw Blacks. And a Abusian Sky FC. And the Police Nationals. And Mina Sachs. And a Chicken FC. Sanson Vision FC. And a Kosomo Crystal Palace. And so a bit about Port City. And a Dreams FC. And a boy Interlights. And a Kotoku Royals. Sons of Aya Tender. And I feel so Akachi All-Stars have about Heart of Lions. And a one for Eddie Airboy and Itama Youth. And a Legon Cities. Accra Lions. And a Heart of Folk have about Real Atletico. And the Great Olympics. And so a Liberty Professionals. And I feel so Nani FC. Born I feel so Accra City Stars. And a Golden Kicks. And so a Winnie MTN FA Cup round of 64 draw no. And also yet to me. And they are two year team for any Piemo. Ghana Premier League. Unim Sene matches and also. I bet you have to draw our match week 8 more. Yan Chana Fins and Enfa, I fishes no, and so and fan to draw and fan mouth and a 3 pair, no matches no, and so at matches here, our Ghana Premier League, no say no matches no, and so ABC for Comediama and Legon City said ball, our Akumpact Takwa, referee, the Jacob Adun Tara, and a special side game no Samson Aku Piemo, our Boston and Clean, the next or Boston Gold, and Rihanna Stars, and so ABC about referee Joseph Kofi. And to bet much a game also, Nanyama Sono, at me, Aquaso, kama, Ariama, Etia for Almina Sharks, and at the folk, and Sababo, a Basso, Indo Sports Stadium, Richmond, a year entry on any reference penny 4, and so Etima Pano, Accra Lions, and Ken Faisal, a bo also Gako per referee, Frederick, a year Samina, and also bet much a match, and also Southern, a Dreams FC, at Nafio, a year Dautia Dreams, now to the Carolina United. Etimi abo Bechem United and the Tachiman 11 Wonders Ebaso our Nanafusu Jabo Park our Tachiman Samson our Bechem Samson and Neno referee Idine Ali Musa Obesha Sama and also Brekum Chelsea our Trafio Golden City Park Brekum no also the West African Football Academy Wafa Etimi Adi Ayantam so a referee a year Edward Anan and also Obesha Sama and also Great Olympics at Trafio Sugakope no also any baby any Go Stars Etimi abo referee Abdullah Ibrahim and also question match and also Kumasi no a Kumasi crop Biasan Tikoroko and I feel so Real Tamale United out to you and I'm also at a referee Stephen and as a referee today at Clement Kwame Nkwa and I'm also paying 40 pound so on also match week 8 Koroko and RTU and also no Intimi Mche sa match and also in Ghana Premier League match week 8 and also about get to me Eddie Atuja and so no Eddie Amaye for joining live on Facebook your command radio. 97.1. Okoman Radio 97.1. Facebook, YouTube, Okoman Radio 97.1. Twitter, Instagram, and so at Okoman 971. Uko Facebook a messages ne biapa Nana Kwame Orije brother. I say Eddie keep the fire burning. And also Etimi Eddie ne dia Orije. And yeah, my main channel and so our host also na Sasune ma Junior. I say you do all. And also Eddie ne dia ba me nimsika oka wasem. Sansona success Kai Tusha Ayes. I say Charlie and they bad. And they bad papa a very sad day. And my Samson I brought the about it, but life still goes on. Rest in peace, Madeleine. And so then yeah, and his success. And so to me Eddie Abba Eric Onyena Kudako. I say go higher, brother. And also at me in the message, at me at Facebook Abba Macquincy Sassy Praise. I say work it out. Yes, so my Morana, I don't know. Yes, Chichi, I see a Sukrana, a Jaina Finsono. Him and so Captain Kwaku on also the Nadia bar so Kaka Kata monitor. I say more pressure slay. I say okay, you are doing war. And so the Nadia boss AK pressure. Pressure. And then I said that you pressure. The BBA to your feel so your ball at the so I say, to know to me messages in and Facebook or Command Radio 97.1 YouTube and so the fire. You bet me after Eddie Amau. Text message, WhatsApp, what a bar 0551 66 77 55 0551 66 77 55. Now and also what to me Eddie Abba El Honor. I say Kakra Kobia. Kakra ebefa ayi mi school yi mi former school every sector on there amo chirima brunya yombo bobo kakra na o student I say me ko bobo kakra na dia on the 18th on the 18th your weekend me wa
me so ukọ the villager ayo chitiri
oso bobo
every Christmas be I say sometimes village ni adene de edu Christmas say na ho boss yi papa and you know yanso ye be jams kakra and football no ekoso and you know me say ja me right wing back who
was it
right wing back me obotre back now the to baby James and you know and kan na me bo two ye natural two defender defend ye papa
Tony Jina ye we mama na almost me ayi me ye some ayi almost me ye I go old student
sure
and you know on the 18th of December yes me there Madina Astrotef no so yes me jam so I say every sectec 2014 badge and 2016 yes once you junior so no
okay
you know bobo kakra so I say Madina Astrotef no so and I jo 7 p.m. Now you say Ijinem Magasa Mijinem. Yes, I mean that wing so na Sasuni ma Jinem na Origin na Sparkle Sana Bills Mujinem Foreign Mujinem and I say Nyasem Kumantino 18 December in Yabishia. Oh my dinner Astro Tef no I just say
Brisek. Okay.
Yeah, 2014 badge no. Yeah, 2016 for no.
Okay.
It's me dia groka kra. Now I say Mr. Skills no.
AK.
Yeah, and so we heavy. And you know, really about I say Nana Kwame Safro or some very sad today. I say Krobia.
AK.
Yeah, sister.
They are to and pay the head of sports Nana Okore Ajimai. The right answer say on person Bekasa P or the Nina Meradi. Nana Okore Ajimai. Charlie AK. We are saying you.
It's too crazy, him. Precious Slay or say Club Yasante, your hairline say you are a defender. Were you not part of the Red Cross team giving us glucose back in school? I was born one said I must. Oh no, mono mo ye just say momo as a mo yɛ Red Cross team no say players ni bra mo bra na yɛ say mo ayi nuro ne ade a
yeah shout out to Nkoma Precious Lee or you senior me media school Precious Lee senior and they me media school and you know oboa me a church me no me so yeah you know shout out to so and confirm and you host program and Studios 2 View Studios 2 View go Facebook or social media or your program say or Studio 2 View
all right
one and the Precious Lee and so entertainment into more entertainment I don't know we do Precious Lee and the pressure no be good so what I say
vibes yeah me bonito na and you know hopa antino me bonito na ye hu na na ayi me she amanane teo na Aguero announced the retirement from football then I'll carry a phone
yeah okay and right here kan kakra and ayarehosem because at the age of 33 na ene wo hwe Aguero ni performances are otumi e de mayen last season Manchester City na bibia e kire se Abrante no movie ko other team obetumi aboa do unim say Pep Guardiola na on share that enye very much you say other Abrante no ebebo anaso obenya Abrante no e won season going into this 2022 season no but oba bonten be kai say team bia enenu ubenya the services of our near branch your friend no Queen Aguero no what a nipa no so no wetumi save over 90 million pounds and ka obetumi dey accommodate so akoto a top notch striker ono so betumi aba be fede void of a striking position ho inti se unya Aguero e betumi abo enemy hu ni say Guardiola asema okan here any influence any being the legend of FC Barcelona no any sa nyoma no nyina account na ema Aguero nso no opte for say any obetumi adwene the team Barcelona o share the fortunes FC Barcelona ekomuna na ehu benya said these kind of teams you know e de wo experience ebeko akoboa any the likes of Gavi the likes of Memphis Depay any Abde any Frankie de Jong no mo any Nicolo Gonzalez no ma womo nso no aba team ni mu so far no womo modern bo no ekoso nkakra hwenim say Barcelona team no ebetumi back to its normal said na gone are the days you know womo tumi perform no enuoma ejija kakra efri say ene Xavi ekoi na ene Iniesta koi Sergio Busquets enso etumi enyin Hodi Aba etumi enyin Puyo efri honomo ekoye ene Dani Alves enso etumi ekoye nti wo hwe the core team no talking of ene Francis Fabregas Ebeka Pedro no mo Alexis Sanchez no mo wo mu nyina no etumi aye move ene ama ho kese pa etumi abeda Barcelona team but in football se we follow sa nyoma we nyina na etumi esi ewo clubs bia. When was the last time a Manchester United etumi den a winning trophy? And Barcelona and I said Real Madrid, one more rivalry kase. Real Madrid etumi 12 years and now Champions League no one more performance no was abysmal. One more to me amayen. Ne results papa bia answer na womu tumi ba ebeje treble no enti enei wo hwe situation a F nam Barcelona ho na eno nso no eye normal in football. I said ya miminim and said ya mimi hu no the atoto clubs no not forgetting say ene ayas no nyina no AC Milan wo hwe situation na eye normal enti no Barcelona ehwe nim sanka wo de these players no ebetumi abeboa young ones no na wo de build a formidable team for about 2-3 years time no na wo tumi enya da Barcelona ni yenim no na Aguero no mo ebai ene Dani Alves aba ni service no ne work permit entumi en permit no mane en start game this time but from January after registration obetumi siakan e dia ma Barcelona Busquets ewo ho with ni leadership no ene abrante friend Gerard Piqué enso edi ni nimde kakra enso eboa but it was okay said ya kan no ya rehosem and so unfortunate for a 33-year-old Aguero na ohwe ni strength ene na wodin another EPL no na me wuni say quite early for Aguero sanko betumi retire talking about 33-year-old there because now Robert Lewandowski at age 33 to 34 wo hwe game a obo edema Bayern Munich. Karim Mustafa Benzema hwe ni age 33 34 hwe game a obo ema ene no Real Madrid. Talking of Cristiano Ronaldo Alvaro dos Santos hwe game a obo edema Manchester United. Lionel Andre Messi Pochettino hwe game a obo at the age of 33 34 hwe game a obo edema Paris Saint-Germain.
Zlatan at the age of 40 41 airball.
So what I see into hwe those players now when we have frontliners now uko cinema sisi uko Europa ubenya most of them are womo age no e wasro but uko top notch class now womo anane no womo then strike ma womo tina ka Aguero ni influence no betumi aboa FC Barcelona ma womo so enya baby pa atinaba. It was quite and very very unfortunate for the guy say eneno with heart problem no ntino ontumi NC Akanyen Farmer FC Barcelona now we calling for a quit. Say ene obetumi esi akan e wo football mu entirely no abrante no etumi a retire. Wa be pay ni dues to the world of football, wa be pay ni due to sporting discipline so far as football aspect is also concerned. And abrante no ye be man no a very big congratulations. Ni amano very good luck like say oni okofie no ne modemo no anase na ayarehwemu no ebeye bribi okay na ene say ye coaching job mini ana other technical aspect bi na ono so betumi enje ewo mu na eche say dachi bia no wetumi abeye mpanifo a womo wo ye football mu no ene ade ni bia meje di say betumi aboa because adwene da Aguero team no enti so tumi edekọ ekotena sesa because ene wo hwe football na nyinyina abeye womo a abobi da ana ene no other positions no yede ema womo nti sa Aguero etumi eboa na nkakra ono so esuesu anioma na ade a no no so be femu bia. I think say okay ono so betumi de nim dia in terms of striking no any football ni understanding of football mu in particular no and so betumi e dia beboa the future young ones a womo so e bana da ati bia e be mu say Sergio Aguero outumi retire at the age of 33 no eyi anetumi abeboa because wo hwe players be to say enei papa your friend Jose Mourinho a which any playing days and shut down koye but ni coaching days you know etumi are very successful and who to me count best 5 managers a obeyi papa your friend Jose Mourinho e film. Talking of any abrante friend no Thomas Tuchel or what Chelsea or so at the age of 25 and ene yare ne nang ne ade a ono so etumi at the right ntianya several ene players are with injury situations any other sicknesses in adintino womo bobo no anko anim na emom no they opted for a certain positions a ewo football mu a womo so enenu womo tumi dia make womo name a mitumi hu say ne say Sergio Aguero enso etumi efada pafa eke ebetumi aboa no ma ono so no etumi asanga abuilde enenu bribi ewo football mu etumi e dia aboa nchirima eno so womo ba eke ewo ene foreign news no.
All right, and in CNN, some crop Asante, and so etumi ede aba ewaha. Isaac Opoku on Facebook. I say watching you live from Major Pharmacy. Say Ike of Major Pharmacy. Okay, what's happening at Syndrome? Can't really tell, bro. I'm just euphoria. I say, okay, someone just called me right now about my good friend. Sister, why I'm so off right now? Very bad news. And then they are ultimately ba. Kobia.
Me banami monitor now say nay. Yes, now you're in a very cold.
In a cold world, sure.
Very, in a cold world.
You're in a cold world. Kobia, you may show the Ghana Premier League match week 8. Matches are best out here. Elmina Sharks playing home against Hatfield. Sansona Eneno Koroko and so playing home against RTU and so Ewo Honma Ubetimi and so Ashentino these games maybe I saw show Koroko game no and I feel so Hatfield after some Africa by they have Bismarck performance coming into the Ghana Premier League. Almost say on Ubetimi reviving the team itself going away Indo Sports Stadium against Elmina Sharks.
Okay, Ghana Premier League, you know, are very interesting as we had last season because last season by this time Nienya a certain great Olympics and the Karela and one more April top war. And this season Kotoko etumi abemu heavily. Ediana Stars womonso etumi abo Mohammed after first 3 games you know entumi ankoye amfama womo no. Gidi a womo enyan ewo ene asarbedi akumu no etumi aboa ama eni no wetumi a revive ni ama wɔn performances no etumi asan apagya bio and Aduana Stars entumi en Lucy away game this season ɛwɔ hɔ no ma ɛno nso wɔn de ɛkɔ ɛwɔ but eke ɛnɛ wohwɛ Kimfesa game a ɔde ɛma yɛn a ano ɛɛdin Krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko after say Hearts of Oak win the league last season this season they cannot afford to lose the league to any other club but one Kotoko noa because akwa say Hearts of Oak dia it say the next ne contingent and I say competitors so to me you know yen Krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko and you know one so modern bono I have quite and I say very impressive to the start of the season, you know, Oshe games are one more ball after so one Mubeshia Kimfesa na one more lose game ubia after so Mubeshia Kimfesa and a Kimfesa ede one more 2 one position a ball 3 goes to 2 and Kotoko cannot afford to lose against R2U ewo ene Baba Yara Sports Stadium because they played at home. I think say woman when Kimfesa no Kotoko bo home.
Yeah.
Sure, Kotoko bo home. Inti na wo away game no ebe Hearts of Oak e wa Accra. As na wo bo home to ene R2U. Inti na ama Kotoko aye say wo abo home ato aso ebien na mom no e Hearts of Oak game no na amba so inti na ama Kotoko abo home ato aso ebien. Inti with R2U no I think say Coach Prosper Nate Ogum and in the players the likes of Isaac Oponomo name anomo ebetumi ama womenu so Abdul Gani no mo ewe echi wonom abalowa and the performances ewo ene game a womene Kimfesa eboy no conceding 3 goals to the nature say goalkeeper Omodimbo no anshada Answeni the center pair of Eneno Abdul Gani and Andrew Sapeo no anshada anye Jumaye talking about the laterals ene Patrick Asma Imoro Ibrahim ene Christopher Nate Isaac ene no apia womo ebo right back no edema Krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko no womo so the defensive shield no womo betumi ahihye niye na eno so going into this game no womo betumi atoban aboban ewe chiri wo say enya de the likes of David Abagna Sandan no mo edi ball no ebetumi ato atenem ewe chi wo midfield no unim say ye nya the absentees of any Abrante Freno Agadas game ni mu against Kimfesa and ye nyina ye hu and no Abrante no a went to me ambo against Kimfesa ye hu the whole bring it to the center back and I said the defensive of Krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko ema the defensive area no ho to me ebeda ho Mohamed Sherifa ye de no eba na ye the first game or started e dia Kotoko intina that panic no any fear any the euphoria around Baba Yara Sports Stadium no too much for the youngsters say onu nso ebetumi ejina no eno na nam so na ma Zuberu ene Mauli num no ene wo mo de wo mo pace ene ade etumi how Kotoko defense wa wo munya the first 3 goals na ano edinye papa wo mo back echiri no wo mo performance no etumi eba soro ama 3 goals to 2 dey na unse performance na Kotoko de man no eyara eninti na wo mo wie game na supporters no for the first time from say mehu Kotoko Lucy by 3 goals to me in the last time Kotoko considered 3 goals Baba Yara Sports Stadium but supporters no to me clappe applauded the support one buy no players no any other management and say oh my yade despite say lose no abano wo modern bono to me eso eni eho into Kotoko against any R2U no they cannot afford to lose this game ene Baba Yara Sports Stadium and fans after losing to Kimfesa womo ebehwe nim say the reaction from the players from the management and obi bia ejuma womo ye playing body no ebetumi showcase on the pitch na womo etumi nya the 3 points in the bag for the supporters womo so ebetumi aba ene Kotoko fraternity ni nyina no na eni genso etumi aba but with David Abagna Sandan ne performance 6 goals any game so far our ball Ediama R2U no R2U Beshego R2U Beshego okay
R2U Beshego na kwa success as R2U 12 Kotoko 0 okay Abagna to score double hat-trick
okay both team to score Kotoko Beshe any R2U Beshe the best for R2U and say umbenya draw but the worst for Kotoko and so be say draw. Kotoko win or draw this game. Kotoko cannot afford to lose all the 3 points in this game. But R2U, I know for this season, R2U will score at the Baba Yara Sports Stadium. And the Kotoko defense, mehu any against Uche Zuberu any Mauli Mirka womude defense ni tuni. I think say up to you. And then no coach no so ashes a game ni ye papa because womude can face a game no be a case study ahead of this game and woman who are a dakotoko and then defense war and agadas no be to me and make amends be elho but Kotoko defense and the form of David Abagna Eke they will score and Mema and Kotoko a slim win 2-1 for Krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Hato folk Eke from Uche.
And then likely said Glatton Awako be born the first game.
And Obin Junior
sorry,
last season the top scorer for Accra Hato folk no to me Aretene and we make it the squad and they woman so Ekako Pimu the Indium Stadium Elmina and ye hwe say wait and Obin Junior coming up no I don't think say Obin Junior betumi start game no and and no abrante friend Kofi Kwaji any a free year banye and me hwe nim say Patrick Razak obe start no na me nim go no ayesu because this time no Hearts of Folk enya win so what I say Hearts of Folk enya the ultimate win even a draw crampo no enyema Kofi Yesu any ni players no nti Hearts of Folk enya the win in this particular game but let's not forget say no Elmina Sharks almost 7 points and Elmina Sharks out of the possible 12 points in their last 4 games one to me accumulate and 6 and points now one to me nya womu we need 2 lose 2 el honomo Hearts of Folk and so no okay one more struggle our premiership no mu and the CAF interclub competitions so no ehun sensema eba no I think say players no pressure be el so talking from the technical team no in some one more can any in some about bontin one more can for certain players one more emma one more they not to start ahead of certain players and as our players one more always be no say one more make it the bench and I say one more the starting order one more kasa because hearing from the technical side OHW Tando ni sema na okeka e Algeria say player bi wo ha enya de a uti bench o kasa ye de be boss to ahwebo a wo bo intina hu kire say players ni bi no dressing room no nsem kakra e wo ho e wo say their coach Kofi Yesu Samuel Bodu ebe hye niama kakra na the understanding say players bi kura no unye bimbo a wo kasa no wo be ye professional e wo dressing room ye wo players be brane wo nye bimbo e wo certain teams e wo ho no mo wo Man City a wo mo ye wo mo first 11 na we chi no ebe to me abo any of the top 5 leagues in the world any of the top 5 clubs are wo mo so wo wiati nyina wo mo benya the starting nod but wo mo tiechi whenever wo mo be ma opportunity no wo mo ba wo mo improve say yes wo mo e wo ho betumi aye adwuma no and I expect that from the Hearts of Folk team no and the players no say upon their AC no to revive the interest and the love from the fans no say wo mo be che wo mo edi no this time say wo mo be go all out for the 3 points say wo mo de be ba glorious Accra Hearts of Folk na fans no so etumi so oh after the exit from the CAF competitions, the Champions League and the Confederation, when it comes to the local scene, we are the champions. We are the defending champions of the FA Cup, the defending champions of the Premiership, and the Super Cup itself. And the young yesterday, and as a yes, can wukrade, and the local based clubs are womo Ghana, and any reaction, I make sure every Hearts of Folk supporters, and coach Samuel Bodu, and the technical team, womo be back all out no mo able to make a case say oh in all after their disgrace Africa no you share the last 10 years Ghanaian clubs one more performance one more danedi in Africa and say young akokra na enenu yende no etumi akoye extremely enenu disgraceful krana yentumi embra the local scene ni embetre say yes aha and yenso ye modern bono eden esueni yenhwe ene Juventus ne modern bo the Italian Scudetto ogito aso 9 times na yenhwe the 9 times no the performances Europe net den wentumi amfa nje ene UEFA Champions League ba ko krampo and one more Asaki coaches abringi coaches Asaki coaches ama eneno the good old Allegri and etumi aba entinu yenhu ni say Yadia AC was certain leagues
the board of Accra to Folk coach Samuel Bodu sure on Paul Konabe Faso revive
it is say otumi edi team no any players nankasa no because players no some of the players are losing the love from the supporters. So what I say, Osha the last 4 games that had to focus boy the lover now even younger yeah no anti had to focus crampo no players and our more airport more wanting a free year banner the first 4 games cause a free year banner and performance no and you're unfair and then yet the performances are you from a free year banner. So what I say, Osha defense of a Radio Voka no Radio Voka contracting so AK abeyan sensem this time. Contract from abroad eba ene bebre yebeko unse FIFA case bi ni adi nyina eba say release clause bi wo ha certain clubs no and as teams no epese wo mu meti clause no na wo mutumi etama brante no eko but how to folk insist ewo abrante no contract so enti ene no how to folk no I say insem bebre na de bia make kan say kotoko how to folk no insem wo mu de bia but it's only when unya resource then na say nsem ni nyina eso akata and how to folk ye nyina ye last season supporters eko ene secretariat eko koye demonstration any ade but it was fortunate for them say womutumi coming back any the magic of Samuel Boadu and how to folk etumi ebeje this double and I said treble womu beje wo Ghana Premier League ni mu a eno etumi eboa ma ekata san nsem we nyina so. And Africa na anye successful no and no and at this time no etumi asande how to folk in sema na ekemu last season and ACC proud before the season no and in the middle of season before asana Samuel Boadu be ba ni performance and results are onya on the pitch no etumi be calm down all this enenu brouhaha no a we say etumi asen sorry inti kotoko how to folk no eye only results and etumi e the peace about this clubs ni mu enti nei Samuel Boadu cannot afford to do anything other than so benya the 3 maximum points and so be get into the winning ways on any players e dey ama any how to folk board team supporters any obi bia ene no ono so e form part of the old family na eno so etumi di enije ene da ahofama na how to folk cry this season na eno so etumi abana Malian league and so etumi aye the okay so far season and the Ghana league etumi aye quite impressive and I think that this season ebe to me aye de crampo as in last season looking at said their nyoma echo mediama any eduana entumi and start here but this time she points are one to me accumulate in their last 3 games their last 4 games and they in a child say play teams in Ibi get it back to their rhythm and how to folk na how to folk ewo enenu Roda na eduana eni mediama ewo mu no un said these are the top 3 teams that woman start here crying in their first 4 games o check here and so far mediama to me pick it up eduana to me pick it up the points are to me accumulating from the last 4 games and how to folk this time after say womanya most of the matches no say one more a postponed one more the way able to me revive na how to focus to me about because teams are one more chance no it to me pick it up na how to focus no it to me about back to their glory days na bibian so to me come
Adriana Stars as good a big game
big game
yeah
big game
big game pa you be monitor game but if you be call Deuna a dreams game no
basso
yeah game no I say Karela a big game pa yeah success as a heart as a heart analysis wow
you shout out.
Thank God you've confirmed you are anti-Hearts. Fire burn you. And also etimi
abba professionally you better not say ejuma as said there no say what I say professionally as we were taught yeah ejuma ni despite
Hearts should sack Akambi such as here as he is the problem
supporters no where Dubai no better san you man unim say last season 3 coaches na how to folk the winning league no
sure
enye Boadu nko 3 coaches and how to folk the winning league no let's not forget. And you know,
the other coaches no performance in sure, that's why they brought in a certain
it didn't have to another problem sane wo how to folk team nimu so what I say fans are moving all the way from here and there to secretariat say and the secretariat cry man paying for meduma sanyo man nyina sisi but when say resource eba always be ano ekata sanyo man so especially Kotoko and Hatofuk. And Kotoko and Semono and just Adao. Oh sure, in some more Kotoko still, but interest Ada. But right now, results on a bank crying to know there is peace.
Mami announce the 4 lines, Then you know what bit my frabano match week 8 Ghana Premier League. Hatofuk against Almina Sharks. Kotoko RTU. Baby Obase. Also Orefa 0551 667755 0551 667755 and that's 0270 191 971. Also bet me a fraba na just say you know Ghana Premier League match week 8 also there but you club me and come here Europe for club see one statement or they come FIFA they are not releasing any African player to come and play in the AFCON. What thoughts on that?
And okay, we know baby a report to Nefi Bano and okay Meshe. Unim say Massa Eyeko Akrata are not ding. They are very credible and also no one more Bribiano they comes with facts and one more a report to Spain typically on Madrid issues. And Massa etumia report to and the French football one more website any adia anopeno
I think I say Gazeta de la Sport from Spain.
Sure, and Americano.
Yeah.
Any French magazine who say most of African countries are linked to any French magazine because of Cameroon, any Senegal, any other countries one more very linked to any French papers. And to Michel in some French football ni ade ba anope ama monitor che say CAF consider say anka won betumi a postpone the AFCON na eba so just a month time. Eye January no. My hand they are fit anope ni na monitor.
But I don't think they are going to postpone
the AFCON. Deep.
No. It's not
Akomu deep and these are reports. Massa are reporting French football. To me, are reporting. Awomo edeba France. One cry the be almost all their tabloids. To me, are reporting. Some ediaba. Na quite complicated.
Krata, the European clubs,
Sure.
And so to me, Edekoma, FIFA. RFA in African players are what na where Jawan Wabisia guy or AFCON Nemo. I'll say. Release of players to national teams for the African Cup of Nations (AFCON) and the January 2022 international window. Dear Deputy Secretary General, dear Matthias,
sure.
With the January 2022 window and AFCON fast approaching, all stakeholders are again unfortunately having to deal with an aggravation of the COVID-19 pandemic and the consequent implementation of new restrictions by various governmental authorities. As you know, the pandemic and its associated implications raise 3 fundamental concerns for clubs when it comes to the release of players to national teams. First and foremost, the club's duty to ensure each and every player's well-being is properly protected. Second, that clubs are not forced to be without players for club competition matches. Third, that all players resume their activities with their clubs following national duty in a timely fashion as per the applicable rules. And you know what the COVID-19 I tricky say. And this is my players now. And your COVID-19 was most of the clubs in Europe know that when Ujawa African players were back January, definitely they'll suffer.
Okay, we share the last test that one year over 3,000 players are almost tested 402 were the EPO nimu and awomo etumi contacted the COVID-19 disease and we say Tottenham Hotspur one of the clubs awomo EPO nimu COVID that team nimu nyina players nyina and one game awomo bebo ne Brighton I think was postponed due to any COVID issues ni ade and we share said the ansem ebobo ba other tablets any papers ne ade portals report say young anhweni ya a time will come EPO no nkasa no won betumi ahot no kakra say ye betumi amanage na kakra na break bi etumi abem said they happen last season because we said they the negatives we know and I said the positives we know e bana news no e bana e betumi am penifon so asen I think different thoughts say league no able to me akoso and players ni bi no any day in day out no matches no wo mo postpone di bia you know but this European clubs no a wo mo cry for AFCON no okay me hu wo mo we yo hu say these are some of the things that say to me
I think it's a CAF at a response.
It's a CAF.
Sure. During the day. During the day, a response.
So far as European clubs, you know, it to me make concern about this, you know, it is a CAF crank going to so much because the moment this top portals, you know, reporting from Europe now, it is CAF to me the press conference and I say release the BA my answer clarify the waves, you know, it to me at the MIN because you the last 2 weeks we shall comment judging club it to me come make it our AFCON say oh no what to say
small
competition be a basketball certain continent no you cannot describe a whole continent Africa ebano abato and as a country say you want more votes say anka yen kasa NCP na yen panyinfo ana wo mu nimde wo mu aton e de ahye sikama anka minye ni say continent be not even Europe ne betu mi de na humpo ato Africa because 54 countries are ebanu in terms of voting everything say yen gazette bribi yen fa yen sanche bribi asina endi mu e wo FIFA the maximum vote you know any bribia no every the camp of any Africa but this is where we are because of our African mind any bribia tin penefo no hey yes sir massa ni ade na doson and wo mu use wo mu power ntino African competition ebe say AFCON no wo ma limit AFCON na ma say baby AFCON ne du no ne respect e wo nyina no eso ati say who so ati who I to say company be na no Christmas and Okuma media and Okuma media oba na oba ye advert ni ati ya titi so okay yeah
and you know Kobia my fancy na yeah, sorry, Jumedi no so na success them so no be nyape. But the channel so Ghana Premier League matches no enche ebetimi asha say e wo hanom na yatimi Kwabia Asante ote nka yenda na sebebre but I mean call WhatsApp message we di aba I say I'm even speechless. Please tell my uncle Corey to take out. I'm now a jelly from a copone kwapim Utumu ya den dodo ono sone dia watumi ade aba enti on that note eribesi na jumedi aka abeto aso executive producer Ayora Kofi Anton Bafo KB ano ene bo ye chidom kese sanso na Nana Kofi Okorajman producer extraordinaire enso boabo ansem na no Jeff Kufu Boateng enso no baby obi awie ba minchi ano Jeff heavy pa Arafin so no DJ Tony, DJ Zigibi, social media, Etwego Jasmine, Estopotino, ama ni no Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, Instagram, ni nyina so etimi ebaya enye asim kuma yense messages no ba na eba Zigi mehu intino asem antu na yenye na kwabia yenye na yenko na yɛhwɛ sɛ ɛbɛtumi akokyia ɛyia abusuafo a sɛ yɛbɛkɔ na biribia yɛ badeɛ kɔi mame nkyi a ɛyi amajamia heavy amajamia heavy na afei nso me nkyi a mayor ana ɛnyɛ mayor governor ana afei nso no madam Nyameche of Obapes Cuisine awia yi mame nkyi a wɔn bebree na wɔnyɛ heavy na nkyi a Oze
papa
yeah viewers are Facebook no yinchi on papa yinchi on papa na yinchi has for sports and food joints and I think so mommy El Pentecost opposite yinchi wo nyina Akosiansano mabna Liza Brown gifty too sad minim say more ho baby am obi abat na mene hene
ehonye nika
na mene hene osi sabi ni papa enche awasasi so na me na o ma no ono anoje entino yenyina yenhye ho den cyber mfu nyina yenhye ho den
Tony we
Tony around bibia dem entino
sanka odem
entino me cyber mfu nyina Sledges Pub fu nyina yama ho hyede Sledges Pub too sad but yenhye ho den nim say be Ebe midin ene na Kwame Amponse di obetimi afrem eke enya me pochena esan subeshia muchum
I said, wait,